Hello, you are welcome to my channel. Now the question here says, a pump lifts 200 kilograms of water through a vertical height of 14 meters in 50 seconds. Calculate A, the work done by the pump, and B, the power of the pump. And we are given G as 10 meters per second square. Now, for us to solve question A, where we have to calculate the work done in this case is equal to the potential energy. Don't forget, work done is equal numerically to energy. So the work done here is equal to the potential energy since it has to do with lifting of a load vertically upward. So we have to use potential energy to obtain the work done in the process. And the formula for potential energy is mgh. So for us to do that, we can substitute values now, where the value of m in the question is 200 kilograms, which is 200, multiplied by acceleration due to gravity, which is 10. So multiply by 10, and then multiply by the height, that is the vertical height through which the load or the water moved, and that is 14. So that will give us the work done by the pump as equal to 20. When we multiply this, it will give us 28,000 joules. So that is the work done by the pump. Don't forget, we can also express this. When we want to express it in kilojoules, you simply divide 28,000 by 1,000. And that will give us 28 when you divide it by 1,000. So you have 28 kilojoules. Kilo there means 1,000. So you can leave your answer as 28,000 joules or 28 kilojoules. So that is the work done by the pump. Now, the second question says that we should calculate the power of the pump. Don't forget, this is the second question here. It says calculate the power of the pump. Now, don't forget the formula for power. I'll write that as question B. The formula for power is work done all over the time. That is the formula for power. And that will be equal to the work done, we already know, is 28,000. And then the time from the question, don't forget the time from the question, we can see the time there as 50 seconds. So 50 seconds. So that means we are going to divide the work done, or which is the energy now, by the power, by the time, which is 50 seconds. So by the time we divide that, we are going to get the power as 160 watts. So 28,000 divided by 50 will give us 160 watts as the power of the pump. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that others can also learn from it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.